My brothers and sisters, for the son dishonors the father, the daughter rises up against her mother, the daughter-in-law against her mother-in-law. A man's enemies are the men of his own house. Micah 7:6. Father shall be divided against son, and son against father, mother against daughter, and daughter against mother, mother-in-law against her daughter-in-law, and daughter-in-law against her mother-in-law. Luke 12:53. Endure the narrow path. There will be many obstacles along the way. But remember this, when it's all said and done, we get to spend forever with our Father, Yahuwah, and our brother, Yahusha. Shalom.